think I solved the problem. I'll try it again.
Okay.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present the recent advancement in advanced air mobility or the unmanned aerial system in my country. You know that Bangladesh is a developing country with approximately 146 million people. Its aerospace sector is in a developing phase. Also, the advancement of advanced air mobility is in early stage, but Bangladesh has taken some significant steps to develop unmanned aerial system. Among them, Bangladesh has bought 12 Turkish Bayraktar TB2. The Bangladesh Army has operationalized 6 out of 12 TB2 drones in 2024, with the remaining expected to be delivered later this year. Bangladesh Coast Guard has received surveillance drone from Australia in June 2025, and Australia is providing technical assistance to bolster the Coast Guard's effort in combating transnational crimes such as human trafficking, drug smuggling, and illegal fishing. The Bangladesh Army has produced 36 BrahMos C4I UAVs from Slovenia. This BrahMos C4I is a portable tactical unmanned aerial system that delivers real-time intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and support to the ground commanders. Bangladesh Air Force has showcased their newly built KX-2 drones on April 2025. KX-2 drone is the first indigenously developed tactical unmanned aerial vehicles. It was developed collaboratively by the Bangladesh Air Force, local defense engineers, and military research unit, and the private tech innovators. For the first time, Bangladesh will produce commercial drones locally and will be ready to export them, as well as a company named Skybees Limited is leading this initiative and planning to establish a factory in Bebja Economic Zone in Chittagong. The company aims to invest $46 million to produce unmanned aerial vehicles. This will commonly used for various commercial and service purposes. They are targeting to export of $169 million worth of drones annually. Skybees plans to manufacture 10 different models of UAVs, primarily designed for non-military usage, such as firefighting, cinematography, mapping, and agriculture. Drone Regulation 2024. The Ministry of Civil Aviation and Tourism has produced a comprehensive set of drone regulations aimed at strengthening control over the operation, import, and usage of drones in Bangladesh. This Drones Regulation 2024 introduced a stringent framework requiring operators to secure license from the Civil Aviation Authority of Bangladesh for most type of drones except for toy drones. This regulation divides the airspace into three distinct zones. They are green zones, yellow zones, and red zones. Green zones are mainly for toy drones that can be flown without prior approval up to 60 meters. Yellow zones are the areas where near the airport, densely populated regions, and public gatherings. There needed a permission from Civil Aviation Authority to fly drones. Red zones, these are strictly restricted areas, mainly military base, sensitive government installation, uh, and border areas. In this zone, They are required a authorization of CAB and also security clearance from the security agencies. Thank you everyone for listening this presentation. Hello.
Well, there you go. Yeah. Well, that kind of wraps today. But before you go, I just wanted to